I gave this AI employee one description of the type of customer we're looking for and told it to find new prospects. A few moments later, these businesses were sitting inside our lead pipeline. No searching Google one company at a time. No manually building another spreadsheet. Today, we're giving our AI lead generation machine its first real job. Find leads. And before we're finished, we're going to make that job repeatable. In episode 1, we built the foundation. We told our AI exactly what kind of customer we're looking for. For this system, we're targeting small to mid-sized real estate brokerages in the United States. And we're looking for owners, brokers, managing brokers, and other decision makers who could benefit from faster lead response, an AI receptionist, or automated appointment booking. We also created our lead pipeline. But those first few prospects were really just our proof of concept. Today, we're going to turn that into an actual lead finder. Before we ask AI to find anybody, let's make sure it knows exactly who we want. Because there's a huge difference between find me some real estate companies and find the specific businesses most likely to need what we sell. Industry. Location. Company type. Decision maker. And the business problem we can potentially solve. The better we define that target, the less time we spend sorting through businesses that were never a good fit to begin with. Now let's give our AI employee its first assignment. I'm staying inside the same AI lead generation machine we started in episode 1. I'm not creating another project. I'm not starting another automation. We're adding another capability to the system we already have. I'm going to tell it to use the ideal customer profile we already created, find a small batch of new prospects, avoid businesses we've already added, and put the new leads directly into our existing pipeline. Using the ideal customer profile already defined in this project, find 5 new small to mid-size real estate brokerages in the United States that match our target. Prioritize owners, brokers, managing brokers, or other senior decision makers. Add each new prospect to our existing AI lead generation machine page. For this search, focus on sourcing the prospect, company, website, location, decision maker when available, role, and a short reason the company matches our ICP. Avoid duplicates already in our pipeline. Do not draft or send outreach yet, and do not create follow-ups yet. Now let's turn it loose. And this is the part I want you to actually watch. We're not going to populate this spreadsheet ourselves and pretend AI found these businesses. We're going to let the system run and see what comes back. Remember, we're starting with only 5. At this stage, I care much more about quality than quantity. And now we're getting prospects, company, location, decision maker when one is available, and most importantly, a reason that business matches the target we gave the AI. Here's something important. Just because AI found a business doesn't automatically mean it's a great lead. We're still going to review what it found. Does this company actually match our target? Is it the right type of business? Did we find somebody who can actually make a decision? And is there a logical reason this company could benefit from what we're offering? If the answer is no, I don't want that prospect clogging up our pipeline. The goal isn't to create the biggest list possible. It's to create a list that's actually worth working. Right now, we've asked our AI employee to find leads once. But I don't want to come back every morning and type the same instruction again. This is supposed to be an employee. So we're going to give it a schedule, follow these steps. I'm going to have our lead finder run on a regular schedule. Use the same ideal customer profile. Look for new prospects. Avoid duplicates. And add the qualified results back into the same pipeline. Now, instead of remembering to prospect, the prospecting job has a schedule. And that's a very different system. Let's look at what we've built. We started with an ideal customer profile. We gave our AI employee a lead finding job. It searched for businesses matching that target. The prospects entered the same pipeline we started in episode 1. And now the job can run again without us rebuilding anything. ICP. AI Lead Finder. New prospects. Lead pipeline. That's our first real piece of the machine. Think back to episode 1. Google searches. LinkedIn. Company websites. copying information into spreadsheets. Now compare that with this. Instead of spending our time hunting for businesses, our job becomes reviewing the prospects the system finds. That doesn't mean every lead will be perfect. But we've moved the repetitive part of prospecting away from us. And given it to the AI employee. Now, our AI employee can find leads. But right now, it still doesn't know enough about them. Who exactly is this company? What are they doing online? What's happening inside the business? And why might they actually need what we're selling? That's the next job. In episode 3, we're going to teach this AI employee to research every prospect it finds. And that's when this basic lead list starts becoming something much more useful. And I also want you involved as we build this system. Join the DRS community and tell me what kind of business you would use this AI lead generation machine for. Real estate? Home services? Marketing agencies? Local businesses? Drop yours in the comments. Next, we're taking the leads our AI just found and teaching it how to actually understand them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.